Hey, what's up, everyone? Sean Trades here. Here's a market recap after this week and going into next week. I will post another one once we sort of get the overnight future session reopened Sunday evening. But as far as this week, pretty disappointing for most bulls. We had lots of opportunities, obviously, here, and also here to push a little higher for the upside, but we rejected pretty aggressively at the previous annual uptrend line rejection point, which is the 5270 point on the ES. It's definitely been a really, really volatile week for sure, but selling pressure did take over the buyer side a bit more. Without even bringing any other technicals or indicators, we can, quite obviously see the difference between the sellers and the buyers. These are still very nice buy candles, but the pullback candles were just, way too much for the bulls to handle this week. As you can see, each corrective bounce was pretty much engulfed by, selling pressure that was twice as strong and much more faster at the rate of dropping. And I briefly explained this in my channel, but we are, for now, in a new downtrend from a very strong uptrend here. We have so far traded within a bearish structure for already multiple sessions. Now, we could make an argument here that this right here could play out as a bull flag and go to new highs. Who knows? But that would be a lot of work from this point, especially with the Friday's week close. We are still somewhat holding on to the 51-58 level, which is a strong demand zone that we have right here. So we could bounce. The RSI I have here is also on the oversold side, so corrective bounce is definitely possible, but I will not commit too long on super longer term calls or longs until we can sort of reclaim this uptrend level and stop making lower highs and lower lows, because that's what we're doing. Lower highs, lower lows, and lower lows. And as long as we keep that up, we are going to continue trading within this channel. Let me actually fix this trend line here a little bit so that we can get these two levels touched there. Somewhat like that. There you go. So it depends on how we open on Monday, obviously, but as far as risk to reward, going long here does make sense. Now, if we do break below this level, I would wait for a some sort of a retest of this downtrend line, and if we reject, I'll short with a downside PT of 50-80, and then we got 50-60 after. If we hold this level here, if we can reclaim this blue level, oh sorry, right here, 51.74, which is going to be the Friday and Thursday's lows, and also these two reversal points back in late March. So if we do accept over it, we can definitely push to 5200, at least to the 5243 level. So those are my levels for the ES. As far as SPY, same TA, same structure. We are in a bearish structure for now. We don't know what's going to happen in a couple days or even weeks. But my level here, if we hold at this 509 level, right, and we break above 512, I'm going to expect a push attempt to at least 514. Then we got 515, right? After that is obviously 517 level, right? If we start to take out the 509, okay, let me fix that level here too. Okay, then I'm going to expect us pulling all the way back to 505 and 50, probably I would say 500 psychological slash even number level there as well. So those are going to be my levels. If anything changes over the weekend session, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. But if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to comment or tag me in the Discord. Thank you.